I'm still crying, okay? Crying for you, crying with you. Sher Shah ended with my heart going all out of you. I know you don't know me, and that's okay. You really don't have to for me to write this to you. Someday I really hope that I'm able to meet you. I'll give you a tight hug that day. It is so rare and priceless to find love so pure, cherished and immortal. Sher Shah is as much of your story as Captain Vikram Batra's. You know, women who fall in love with soldiers have a different heart of steel that beats inside them. I believe so because I fell for one. When you fall in love with a man who loves the nation so much, you can't help but keep waiting to see him the next time. It isn't easy after all. A man brimming with so much passion, love, zeal and loyalty to everything in his life? Who could ever let such a man go? Sher Shah breathes with you and will continue to do so for a lifetime and beyond. The world celebrates a terrific hero who left behind a legacy no one can emulate. But I wonder what goes on within you every time you think of the last moment when you bade him farewell, when he hugged you for the last time, when he kissed your forehead and said, "I love you," when he slit his finger and applied blood as vermilion or sindoor on your forehead, when he called you Mrs. Batra, and when he rang up for the last time from the war zone. I can only feel shivers. I bet you still read his letters. You know, when such men depart, they leave a void so strong and deep in the lives of people associated with them that you can't help but hold on to their memories for life. You never got married. How would you? After all, you are Mrs. Batra already. I know it takes a mad heart to knowingly and madly love someone who knows might not come back one day. Thus, Dimple, my soul goes all out to you. I can't help but sob each time I think of your pain when you saw his last rites, that burning pyre, and of the time when you would have received the news of his departure. Love is so powerful, you know. It makes you, yet breaks you. I don't know how you did it. I still can't fathom. Sher Shah was Sher Shah indeed, but he also fell in love with the Sherni. As I watch your story today, closely entwined with one of the legendary figures of the Indian Army, I felt a sense of pride, prestige, sorrow, valor, grit, determination, beauty, courage, passion, love, and a marriage of such emotions. If you look at it, it is a love story of a simple Londa from Palampur who just knew how to love too much, love you and love his nation. From क्या चल रहा है हमारे बीच to अगली बार सिर्फ मेरे लिए वापस आना, you made me shed a happy tear with you. Dimple, like yours are stories of umpteen women who lose their lifelines in the service of the nation. It is an ode to every woman who lost her better half and paid their greatest tribute to this country. We can't be thankful enough, ever. Captain Vikram Batra shall live forever, and so shall you in the minds and hearts of people who know what true love and passion feels like. You never came out in public. Perhaps that's your way to pay homage to the sanctity and piousness of your bond with Captain Vikram Batra. If you ever get to read this, know that I am sending the tightest hug to you. You love the soldier with whom the whole nation fell in love. You are a hero too. Ye dil mange more, Dimple. Ye dil mange more. Thank you. Hello guys. So if you really like this video, do like and let us know in the comments. Also share and subscribe our channel if you like our work. Our Instagram and Facebook links are provided in the description below. If you haven't followed us yet, do follow.